How to fix CX File Explorer cannot use this folder. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix CX File Explorer cannot use this folder. First, open CX File Explorer. Then navigate to the folder you want to access, for example, Android/data. When prompted, tap on Use this folder. You might need to grant the app permission to access all files. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to do this. Then, go to your device's settings. Navigate to Apps, then CX File Explorer, then go to the Permissions. Ensure that the app has permission to access files and media. Sometimes using the built-in File Manager to grant access can help. Now open CX File Explorer and try to access the folder again. When prompted, select Use this folder and choose the built-in File Manager to grant access. Note that starting from Android 11, accessing certain folders like Android/data has become more restricted. If you're using Android 13 or later, some workarounds might not work due to these restrictions.